Hi, this is Samantha House, and I'm going to show you how to use the MagicSchool AI text leveler tool to differentiate the style of a text for students in your classroom. So the first thing that you'll need to do is find the text leveler tool. So in MagicSchool AI, I'm going to search for the text leveler, and I'm going to select it. And the example that I'm going to be using today is a 4th grade DBQ assignment. So what we want to be really cognizant of are the Lexile bands by grade level. So we know that a proficient 4th grader should be reading between an 850 and a 1004 Lexile level. So if you look at a student's scores, and you notice that their Lexile is a 325. That puts them reading on a 2nd grade reading level. So maybe we want to lower the Lexile of the DBQ to match their reading level. Now, I would caution you not to keep them at that same reading level all year. Maybe start them off with an on reading level or slightly above reading level version of the text, and then scaffold up throughout the year. And I'm going to show you how to do that with MagicSchool AI. So we're going to go to the text leveler tool, and I'm going to say, let's put this on a 3rd grade reading level for this student. Now you can copy and paste the text into the dialog box, but what I'm going to do is add the actual DBQ file. So I'm going to choose Add File and then Upload File. From there, I am going to select the student version of the DBQ. And it will upload the file. Your word limit is up to 75,000 words. After the file is uploaded, I'm going to go ahead and click Generate. And notice that it's going to go ahead and generate the lowered Lexile version of all of the documents within the DBQ. And you may want to copy this and reformat it so that it looks a little bit more similar to the DBQ packet that you would be giving other students in your class. But you could definitely differentiate the Lexile level of a DBQ or any other text for a student based on their data, and then throughout the year scaffold up to an appropriate grade level Lexile. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more Dear Dis YouTube videos.